Welcome to Yokohama Bay Quarter, where the city meets the sea. Just a few minutes from Yokohama Station, this waterfront destination combines modern architecture, ocean views, shopping, and relaxing seaside energy. Built with a ship-inspired design, Bay Quarter gives visitors the feeling of walking through a luxury harbor deck surrounded by the beauty of Yokohama Bay. During the day, the sea breeze, cafes, and open terraces create the perfect atmosphere to relax. But at night, the entire area transforms into a glowing waterfront paradise. From here, you can see the lights of Minato Mirai, the Bay Bridge, and ships moving quietly across the harbor. One of the hidden gems is the Bay Garden Observatory, offering some of the best skyline views in Yokohama. Whether you come for food, photography, a peaceful walk, or simply to enjoy the view, Yokohama Bay Quarter captures the modern spirit of Yokohama perfectly. This is not just a shopping center, it's one of the most relaxing waterfront experiences in Japan.
don't know if I can find my way out. I'm stuck in a prison of doubt. In this ocean, and everything is growing up tight. There's no room to breathe, and nobody is watching at night. The water rises.
Yokohama Station, one of Japan's busiest and most futuristic train stations. But behind the bright lights and modern buildings lies a fascinating history that shaped the city of Yokohama itself. The first Yokohama station opened in 1872 during the early days of Japan's modernization. It was part of Japan's very first railway line connecting Yokohama and Tokyo. At that time, the station looked nothing like today's giant transportation hub. The area was smaller, quieter, and surrounded by simple wooden buildings instead of skyscrapers. Over the years, the station faced many challenges, including fires, earthquakes, and major rebuilding projects. After the Great Kanto earthquake of 1923, Yokohama had to rebuild much of the city, including its railway systems. As Yokohama rapidly grew into an international port city, the station continued expanding to handle millions of passengers. Today, Yokohama Station is a symbol of modern Japan. Multiple train lines connect here, including JR lines, private railways, and subway systems. Every day, huge crowds move through its futuristic corridors filled with digital screens, shopping malls, restaurants, and underground passageways. What makes the station so impressive is how Japan combines speed, technology, and organization. Even during rush hour, trains arrive almost exactly on time while thousands of commuters move smoothly through the station. Just outside the station, the futuristic skyline of Minato Mirai rises over the waterfront, showing how Yokohama transformed from a historic port town into one of Japan's most modern cities. Yokohama Station is more than just a train station. It is a bridge between Japan's past and
Water is
future.
rising over me. Water is rising. I'm reaching. It's coming. I'm reaching. Water is rising over me. I'm reaching out. I'm reaching. Water is rising. It's coming in. Water is rising over me. I'm reaching out. I'm reaching. It's coming.
Chinatown began in 1859, when the port of Yokohama opened to foreign trade. Chinese merchants and immigrants arrived in the city to work in trade, shipping, and business, eventually building a close community near the port.